Hello everyone! Is your diesel engine struggling to start in cold weather? Getting excessive white smoke from the exhaust? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0678, cylinder 8 glow plug circuit open, this means your engine is having trouble warming up, which can lead to misfires and hard starts. In this video I'll explain what P0678 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0678? The P0678 trouble code stands for Cylinder 8 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Diesel engines depend on glow plugs to preheat the air in the cylinders for a smooth start. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the glow plug circuit for Cylinder 8, it triggers P0678. This can result in difficulty starting, rough idling, and increased white smoke from the exhaust. Common symptoms of P0678: check engine light on hard starting in cold conditions, rough idling or misfires, excessive white smoke from exhaust, reduced fuel efficiency. If you have these symptoms, let's locate the key sensors and components causing P0678. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0678, check these components. Glow plug for cylinder 8. Location: installed in cylinder 8 on the engine block, near the fuel injector. Function: preheats the cylinder for better cold starts. A faulty glow plug won't heat properly. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Location: mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: manages power to the glow plugs. A bad module can cause all glow plugs to fail. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: typically near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors the glow plug system and sets the P0678 code if it detects an issue. Glow plug relay. Location: inside the fuse box or near the engine. Function: delivers power to the glow plugs. A faulty relay can prevent the plugs from working. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the PCM, GPCM, and glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. If damaged, the circuit stays open, triggering P0678. Common causes of P0678: burned out glow plug in cylinder 8. A failed plug won't generate enough heat. Faulty glow plug control module, GPCM, prevents the glow plugs from receiving power. Broken or corroded wiring. If the wiring is damaged, the PCM can't detect the glow plug. Defective glow plug relay. If it fails, power won't reach the glow plugs. PCM malfunction. In rare cases, a faulty PCM may incorrectly trigger P0678. How to fix P0678. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. Other glow plug codes could indicate a system-wide issue. Step 2. Test the cylinder 8 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 0.6 to 2.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires and repair them. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace them if they are faulty. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. A bad module can disable all glow plugs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0678 can lead to cold start failures, excessive smoke, and poor engine performance. Fixing it ensures your diesel engine runs smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0610, Control Module Vehicle Options Error. P0611, Fuel Injector Control Module Performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.